Subo lengo la ngurani ile Sidai TV kolonge dora Jumatatu ontariki nyongwan tela pale tomontela rilon California wotikita mobona kulolo monto ngoroki kaji Vivian Kanoi ora enkolonge dora iterunye ndongote kura tiatwelo shole Kenya nerona kegira ipodur para ko beyenyo kae pango asirate anala oshokle kura petumoki ategelaki atelarikoko yomate tolarilo California wotikita oare ilomolelo weibalunye County Commissioner Lenaro Ivan Sachoki neomonir para ko penyo kasi shorenkopise Huduma Center amwile mwenye serikali ramatare petumoki arareto ltunganak tiatwa county enarok.
Customer Service Week, which the theme is the power of the customer. We will be showcasing various services. We will be offering various services apart from the 32 national and county services that we offer from this Huduma Center. We are showcasing or offering 4 major services. The first service that we'll be offering from here is the placement of university colleges. Young people can come to this center and they can choose the courses that they would want to pursue in the university. So that is the first service that we will be offering during this customer service week. The second service that we'll be offering, apart from the services, the 32 other services, is the registration of voters. From today to the 2nd of November, we will be registering voters. So this center, you can register as a voter in any constituency in Kenya. And then the third service that we are also offering during this customer service week is in partnership with the county government, is the vaccination of COVID-19. And in this center during this week, we want to ensure that the queue management system, where the first come, first serve, will be prioritized. So we will ask all those who will visit this center during the customer service week to follow the queue management system that is in place. We also have adequate security so that during this period, every customer who comes in is adequately served. So I want to appeal to residents of Narok to turn out in big numbers so that they visit this center so that they can get the services which we will be offering here. Huduma Center is a one-stop shop for national and county government services. And I want to thank the Huduma Center staff for Narok for their efficiency and expeditiously discharging their duties. And I also want to thank them for planning properly for this week. So we are ready to serve you during this week at the Huduma Center. So wananchi wajitokeze kwa wingi kujiandikisha kama wapiga kura na vile pia wajitokeze kudungwa ile shindano ya COVID-19. Na upande wa voter registration, vile county elections manager amesema tuko na 30 wards, na kati ya hizo 30 wards tutakuwa tunatoa ile schedule mahali ile BVR kit itakuwa kila wiki. Kwa hivyo ukienda kwa ofisi ya chief ataweza kukueleza ile kiti iko wapi, au ukienda kwa ofisi ya IBC pia atakuambia ile kiti iko wapi. Tunauliza wananchi wajitokeze kwa wingi, vijana na wazee na akina mama, wale ambao hawajajiandikisha wajiandikishe kama wapiga kura kwa hii msimu. Na tunafahamu ya kwamba Narok County ni county ya wafugaji, kwa hivyo hata wale wamehama wameenda kule wakipata malisho, vile pia na wauliza warudi waweze kujiandikisha kama wapiga kura. Na tutawafuata wengine ambao wameenda kule kwingine, tutawafuata tuhakikishe kwamba tutawaandikisha. Kwa hivyo nawauliza wakazi wa Narok County tena, yeyote yule atanisikia sauti yangu aweze kujitokeza na kujiandikisha kama mpiga kura, ndio tuweze kufikia ile target tuko nayo. Kupiga kura ni haki yako kama Mkenya, kwa sababu kama Mkenya una haki ya kuchagua kiongozi uliyopenda. na huwezi chagua kiongozi ikiwa hauna kadi ya kupiga kura. Kwa hivyo tujitokeze, tupige kura, tujiandikishe kama wapiga kura. Thank you very much.
Ora ketombana ibirta holduru etasheki engelare worpolosien tiatua ele osho IEBC nelimu lomon ajo njere ipang'utua iloopeny emurua ele Manet temoikuapeyie kaunti Narok autu olturrur le IEBC elimu ajo eitu iger elelero naing'ua ina murua aisho siaitin enkigerore ooltung'anak naloito dukuya tena rishata. Etolimutuo naa lelo parakuo ajo ekeeta apa elelero naing'orutua ina siai kake netu etum, nelimu ajo meitaasi maanyorraa meshomo dukuya ina ramatare teina murua tenetu ishori nena kera isiaitin teina luboto olosho.
Aji kuseyo na karolo na ene adili Manet kinorizo duo report ongera na egiroki the IEBC nore yogera Manet netu ekilisha iyo tengigero na kera metingera ena murua nisumata ngera na murua ne nenye na haki yawa kalno alimiki yolo kitejote kera Manet mekinyorra oltung'ani oyauni lemele na murua meewu adunkura kiata ngera isumate amore be sumata ngera na murua na lelo kasi ngoje bekipetu na kaomon IEBC pes immediately ingibelekenyat peisho oltung'anak haki enye ameti haki neweji
Kaji Alex Olemontoi, aspirant lolorika le MCA Narok Town Ward. Kiata malalamiko nikigira ailalamika tenkaraki IEBC. Eeta endung'oto ekura neshomo iltung'anak le IEBC Narok North Sub County eshomoito aisho iyiok iltung'anak lemele ena murua. Kigira ajo peishori sininche iyiok inkera ang' metudung'o tenewueji amu apply naa keyiolo olopisai oitasheki Narok North ajo apply nkera ena murua neiqualify nemeyakini iyiok kulie.
Nixon Ole Sadera karasi nanu applicant apa apply na position ketonye ishori list neeku adua nanu mefea ina siai IEBC.
Ejo irkulie omon inchere eton ake egira aitanap irparakuo loomanya imurua naamanita olale loong'uesi le Masai Mara peyie egolie neramati ng'uesi teilo ale tenkaraki dupoto entaisere enye. Lomon lelo oibalie CEO loitasheki conservancy natii atua olale le Masai Mara yioloti enaa Daniel Ole Sopia egira airorie misa olomon e Sidai TV.
Pooki entoki niking'adare kira olosho le Mara naa nkishu ake ong'uesi. Naa pooki ake entoki naisho iyiok maibung'a ena kop naa ng'uesi nikiramat nkishu. Ore ena ramatare conservancy netudumu enkishui oltung'anak kumok oleng tenakop. Ina toki tenakata nagira aibung iyiok kira olosho pokole pee kining'oo mbaa naji ne corona. Etii iltoi lorere loowa esumash kake eitu kinyamalu iyiok tenkaraki ena ramatare naji enoo ng'uesi. Amaa paibung conservancy amu ninye ake entoki etipat naibung'aki iyiok enkop naa ninye ake entoki niking'adare toonkatitin naaponu eishoi nalotu. Kigira apa iyiok aing'or intae nemikira modook kake king'or iltung'anak ooponu aibung'aki iyiok ena ramatare enkop ang' naji ene conservancy. Ore oltung'ani lemetii tenebo aramat iyiok teine nimikiyiolo iyiok ajo kai iloito amu inewueji taata enkiteng nikilepito iyiok naa ninye entoki niking'orita. Nakayieu ake najoki ntae lootum olorika nekiomonoki ntae Enkai neisho naa Enkai olotejo ninye apa ina olong encho metadamu ajo tenaa ketii entoki naing'uikini ele osho nabikoo naa entoki naji sheria.
Naitabaiki lomon tonkoroki le saa nabo enteipa tiatua Sidai TV kaji Vivian Kanui.